Dobro Veche, during Pisces 222. It is Tuesday, August 18th, 2020. I'm going to do a union update for today. I'm going to make it a quick one today, guys. I'm sorry, got a lot going on today, but I at least wanted to get one out for you guys. I will say the way that the energy seems to be trending, I really do feel, I know I kind of talked about it this morning on the daily message clear about the spiritual warfare, and I know I've said this before. Guard yourself, guys. I do feel that some of you may actually have someone working against you, okay? I don't really believe in like spell work, in that sense, like, people putting curses on people and stuff like that. I think that's fantastical nonsense. I mean, it's possible, but, but I do believe in, when people put out negative thoughts and, send negativity towards someone, I do believe that that can affect someone's energy, and that can, affect you negatively. It is in a way kind of cursing someone, okay? So be very, very careful with your thoughts, guys, okay? Because some of you may not know what you're doing when you send out thoughts like that, okay? But also guard yourself, okay? Because I do believe in dark and light. I definitely do believe that there are people out there who, they don't like it when other people succeed. They don't like it when other people are doing what they need to be doing in their life. You know what I mean? Like their purpose. I do believe that there is evil. I do believe that some of the people probably in power around us are evil, that they are there to keep us in line. They're there to keep us in servitude because they feed off of our energy. I mean, I've been saying this for a while. This pandemic fear, this hatred, and this, basically just to sow the seeds of division, as it were, so that they can feed on us. They can feed on our hatred. They can feed on our fear. They can feed on our pain, our misery, whatever. I fully believe that. I fully believe that, there are people who are in higher power, who are higher, in our ruling class, basically, who know how this energy stuff works. Like Hollywood, they know how it works. They know. They make movies about this stuff. It's right there, okay? But like, I really do believe our leaders know. They know. And some of them, they use it to their advantage. They use it to better themselves. Some of them are good people. I do believe that. But there are others that know this, and they use it to keep us in control. They know how to control the energy, right? So knowing that, there are people who are literally working spells on other people. Like, it's like they're doing that to keep us in darkness, okay? So when I say spiritual warfare, I mean it. Okay? Guard yourself, guys. Especially if you're vulnerable right now. Some of us are very vulnerable right now, okay? Because, we're drained, or we are, in confusion. Some of us have stopped meditating and protecting ourselves altogether, okay? Highly recommend you guys get back on that bandwagon, okay? As far as the masculine energy is concerned right now, I feel like a lot of them are in darkness. Okay? I feel a lot of them are in darkness. Some are coming out of it. Some are realizing that they're in darkness and that they're probably not doing the best things that they could be doing for themselves specifically. A lot of them, I feel, are sending out negative energy to those around them. Instead of doing something about their situation, they're just sending negative energy out. I feel some of them may, believe it or not, some of them may actually be working against their feminines. Okay. I do feel that some of them are working with their karmics against their feminine. And actually, this is interesting because I have talked to Kayla about this particular trend. And it's not just, I do feel like there's just this darkness that's coming up right now with the masculines. Okay. And either they're gonna come out of it, like I said, they're either gonna deal with it, they're gonna figure it out, or they're not. Okay. I hate to say it, but I feel like, you know, my masculine might be part of that group. And I've kind of come to the realization that there's just this timeline skip that I've been talking about. Clear. Some of you may realize, you know, if you have a plan B, how similar that energy is to your counterpart. There's a reason for that, okay? Now, it's up to you to figure that out, but I know what it means for me. Also, as far as the feminine energy goes, I feel there are also two types of feminine energies. There are the feminine energies that are coming out of the codependency phase. They're coming out of the obsession phase. They kind of went back into it, right? There are those that are still in that, though. There are those who are still obsessing. There's a difference between holding space and lending your energy to someone who is abusing your energy, okay? I do feel there are some feminines who aren't going to make it either, okay? And it just skips, so you know what I'm saying is divine truth. There are going to be some feminines who are going to be stuck in their timeline, okay? So just, guys, listen to yourself right now. I think that's the main thing that I'm trying to get across here, is listen to yourself, okay? And I know I said this yesterday, actually. If something doesn't feel right, clear. Address it, okay? Highly recommend doing protection spells every single day, or protection meditation, whatever you want to call those, okay? Every single morning before I wake up, I imagine a bubble of light protecting me and my loved ones. Okay? I recommend doing that every single day. Okay? And before you go to bed, I mean, it's a good idea to go ahead and dispel anything that may have been placed on you. Okay? And I'm trying to think here. Like, it's like there's been this jumbled mess coming in for me today. Like, I just feel like there's been a lot coming in, so it's like I feel overwhelmed by what's coming in, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm saying what I'm seeing, hearing, whatever, as clearly as possible. Take some time, guys. Take some time for yourself. I feel like a lot of us still, even in this day and age where, you know, most of us are at home and not as much around people, we still... It's like we're so guarded. Does that make sense? We're really guarded. I think even more so now that we're, you know, in this age of social distancing and whatnot. We're so guarded. We're so defensive. You see? And constantly being in that energy, constantly being in that walls up, nothing can come in energy can actually be draining within itself. And so there's a difference between protecting yourself and putting your walls up. Do you see the difference? Like when you're constantly putting your walls up to anything and everything that could possibly come in, including information maybe coming from source, or whatever, your spirit team, okay? That takes energy to do that, to deflect, okay? That can be draining within itself. So you can protect your energy, and I highly recommend doing so, but don't put your walls up to the point where you're not open to the things that are being sent your way, okay? As far as connecting energies go, I'm going to say it again. Some of you are headed towards union. Yes, you are. Some of you are. Okay, with your counterpart. Some of you, it's not going to happen. Okay? And I can't tell you who's who. Okay? Some of you have already started on that path of the plan B. Okay? Just keep going. Just keep going with it. Okay? Just keep going. There's something better for you coming. Okay? Those of you who are headed toward union, great, fantastic, awesome. Let us know how it's going, please. Highly recommend checking out the forum, guys, divinepisces222.com/forum. It's free. Please connect with other people. We're going through the same things you are. And again, I'm going to ask, for donations, if possible, for the website, please, so I can keep that up and running. I want to provide a safe place for you guys to talk about these things and to come together and to, basically have fellowship with other people who are going through the same things you are, okay? But check it out, guys. Please do. So let's take a look here. Wow, so feminine energy here right off the bat. What do you feel? That's exactly... Yes, that's exactly it. What do you feel? Pay attention to what you're feeling, guys. Pay attention to what you're feeling. Okay? Listen to yourself. Listen. Okay? Masculine energy, divine talents, that's really interesting. So some are going to be stepping into their divine talents. Some who are coming out of the darkness into the light. That's what they're being shown. Is they're needing to go onto their path or needing to follow that path. Okay? Some are in their distortions right now and they're using their divine gifts in a negative way. Okay? Guard yourself. All right? Some of them have help. Some of them have help. Okay? So connecting energies, how great is this connection? So again, some of you are coming into union with your counterpart. Okay? Some of you are. This is like the Two of Cups here. Some of you are doing that. All right? And it's moving that direction. Fantastic. Great. Some of you, it's union with someone else, or yourself, or with your divine mission. Okay, either way, it's a good thing. Okay, so I do feel the energies are tending that way for those of you who are on your path and securely on your path. Okay, so just keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, so feminine energy here, Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, I'm telling you, some of you that. I hate to say it this way because I really hate focusing on karmic partners specifically, but some of you, your counterpart's karmic partner or karmic person, could be a family member, doesn't have to be a partner, is working against you in some way. Up your protection. Do it, okay? Also, this is telling me some of you are releasing a karmic situation as well, okay? It's good. It's good. Release that, okay? But still, I need you guys to up your protection, okay? Masculine energy here. Yeah. Some of them are rejecting outright the union path. They just are. Okay? Is what it is. Some of them, they're seeing the illusion in their situation and that's what they're leaving to. Okay? So it could go either way here. Take it as it resonates in your particular situation. But some of them, I'm telling you, are just flat out refusing to move forward on the union path. Some are rejecting their current path, which is the wrong path, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and they're going back towards union with the counterpart. Okay, so that's good. So some of you, that's awesome. Either way, I mean, you're going to get good news. So don't take it. Don't take it. One group's going to get good news. One group's going to get bad news. Everybody's headed towards something wonderful. If you're on your path, you're secure on your path, you're following the way that Source is intending you to follow, and you're listening to yourself, only good things can happen. Okay? So connecting energies, yeah. Look at that. Releasing the fear, releasing the illusion, right? So that's what's going to lead you to union. Okay? And that's where the energy is right now. Okay? We're basically... Are you going to release it or aren't you? Well, you either are or you aren't, right? So guys, just take it in stride. I think it's really important for me to stress that. Take it in stride, okay? Everything's going to be fine. Everything's going to work out the way that it's going to work out, and there's not really much you can do about it except keep yourself. Keep yourself. Does that make sense? I think some of us get really frustrated, about this journey, and I understand that, especially about the connection. Guys, control yourself. Good things are coming to you. Good things, okay? Keep your thoughts clear, all right? Feminine to masculine. Some of you are still getting those song messages. Masculine to feminine. Okay. And then messages from Spirit. Yeah, pause. Look at that. Pause. That's exactly what I said. Take some time for yourself, guys. Nothing will come of this situation. Some of you who are still like in that, oh, you know, I don't know if he's going to come to me. I don't know, you know, what he's doing. Blah, 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 blah. Still in that. Stop. Stop that. Stop. Move on. Move on. Move on. Okay? Pause. Reflect. Why are you so worried about it? Why are you so worried about it? Okay? Don't be. Release it. Okay? Some of you, this is okay, so some of you, this is your karmic situation that you're releasing right now. Okay? Some of you have put like releasing that on pause, and you need to unpause it. Does that make sense? Because if you keep it paused, nothing's going to happen. You've got to move. Those of you, I feel, that are leaving a karmic situation that maybe you've been in for a while, that you've been moving out of for a while. Some of you might have put that on pause because of this whole pandemic thing. Okay? Don't let that keep you from moving forward. Don't let that keep you from moving forward. Just keep going. Keep going. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Okay? All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.